let's see like some phrasal verbs related to or some phrasal verbs with see ከማን ጋር መሄዱ ከሲ ጋር ማለት ነው what do you mean by see ማየት ነው አይደለም very good okay so the first one is see see about say it again see about it doesn't mean that to see about doesn't mean to see all right to see ማየት ማለት አይደለም so about means ስለ and see means ማየት ስለሆነ ነገር ማየት ማለት አይደለም it doesn't mean like that okay so what do you mean by to see about to see about means to arrange what does it mean to arrange or deal or what deal with something with something all right የሆነ ነገር arrange ማድረግ ማለት ነው am I clear yes. so what is the past tense of this see yes past tense ማን ነው ማን ነው so is the past tense of see የኃላፊ ጊዜ ሲሆን that's so to see about doesn't mean to see like this rather it means to arrange or deal with something የሆነ ነገር arrange ማድረግ ማለት ነው is that okay yes. very good for example I will see about getting tickets getting what tickets for the concert all right so it means that you are arranging all right yes. you are arranging to get tickets for what for the concert so what do you mean by see about to arrange or deal with something all right or to take action all right yes. to see about means to arrange or to take action it means what to take action all right to take action that's the meaning of see about is that okay yes ግልጽ ነው አሁን yes. all right why did I use here ing ለምን ነው getting ያልኩት ለምን ነው why do I say that I will see about getting tickets for the concert ለምን ነው እዚህ ጋር getting ያልኩት what does it mean right
future ስለሆነ
now because of the preposition about all prepositions except two which is an infinitive maker are followed by ing form of the main verb አይደል yes or no
yes.
all right interesting and second phrasal verb we see is see after see what after okay to see after can you see after my dog all right so to see after means what do you mean by see after look after very good to see after means to look after so it's the same right it's the same so still ለምሳሌ can you bestie can you see after my dog after ምን ልትንከባከብልኝ ትችላለህ ምን አይነት ልታረግልኝ ትችላለህ ልትንከባከብልኝ ትችላለህ ነው ውሻዬን ነው አይደል can you see after my dog when I'm away it just means can you check can you look after right yes. so to take care of or to look after means like to see after right I can see after your mom you can go right understand yes. I can see after your mom say I can see after your mom
I can see after your mom
ምንን ልንከባከብልኝ እችላለሁ ያልከኝ ነው እናትህ ላይ ልንከባከብልኝ I can see after your mom you can go anywhere you like yes or no yes. so to see after means to look after or to take care of something or somebody is it clear
yes.
all right but there's a difference between this see about and look about yeah there's a difference between look and see first all right look and what see ልዩነት አለ
yes.
look and see yeah all right okay so what do you mean by look about to look about means to glance or search for something all right I type ማድረግ I'm looking about ብለሻው ለምሳሌ I'm looking about the environment means ቃኘት ያደረግሽው you glancing all right do you understand me I type ያደረግሽው look about so too but see about means to arrange so there's a difference between look about and see about there's a difference is it clear
yes.
all right interesting that's so good and then the next one is see through see what through yeah see through to see through has got two different meanings how many meanings do we have two different meanings mm-hmm. all right so when you try to see the direct meaning like see ብላችሁ okay see means ማየት and through means በኩል ስለዚህ በሆነ በኩል ማየት no it doesn't mean like that do you understand me
yes.
you don't have to translate it like this so when you say see through ስትሉ ምን ማለታችሁ ነው the first thing is to realize to what realize the truth to realize what እውነታውን ማወቅ ነው the truth about what something or somebody ስለሆነ ነገር ወይም ስለሆነ ሰው እውነታው ሲገለጥላችሁ you see through እየተግባባ ነው?
Yes.
ኦኬ ውሸትን አውቄብሃለሁ በስቲ አሁን አውቀሽው ከሆነ I see through
Your lies.
I see through your lies. Your
Lies.
I see through your lies ካልሽ ውሸቶችህን አውቄብሃለሁ ያለ I thought through your lies. So the past tense of see is yes, past tense ማለት ነው. So I saw through basically I thought through your lies.
Your lies.
I saw through your lies immediately. I saw through your lies immediately ማለት ወዲያውኑ እኮ ነው ውሸትን ያወኩበት ነው. Do you understand me? I thought through your everything immediately. Do you understand me? So to saw three, I mean to see through means to realize the truth about something or somebody. ስለሆነ ነገር ወይም ስለሆነ ሰው እውነታው ማወቅ ማለት ነው. That's the meaning of see through, right? See through, right? See through. Okay. So it's hard to see. It's hard, basically.
It's hard.
It's hard to see through his lies. His
Lies.
lies. የሱ ውሸት ማወቅ በጣም ከባድ ነው ማለት ነው, right? It's hard to see through his lies. It means that it's hard to realize his lies. Do you understand me? To know more about his lies. So to see through means to realize the truth about something or somebody, right? Interesting. This is the first meaning of the true. What is this? This is the first meaning, all right? I told you that it has got different meanings, right?
Yes.
And what is the second meaning of this? Second meaning of see through. It means that to continue working, to continue doing something, to continue doing something until it's done. Until it's done. አንድ ነገር እስከ መጨረሻው እስኪያልቅ ድረስ መስራት መቀጠል ማለት ነው. Do you understand me?
Yes.
Can you make your own sentences, please? እስቲ አረፍተ ነገሮች ስሪ ለምሳሌ በዚህኛው ኮንቴክስት ማለት ነው.
Okay. I went to see through this project until the
I want to or I wanna see this project through
until the maybe.
until it's done, all right? Or until its completion, all right? Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So that's it. So how many meanings did we see for the phrase see through? Two, right?
Yes.
But there is another phrasal verb. እዚህ ጋር ተመሳሳይ የሚመስለው look through. Say look through.
Look through.
But it's not the same. To look through. Look through ስትሉ ግን ምን ማለታችሁ ነው? You're looking through something, all right? What do you mean by let me look through the projects or the reports. Let me examine or review something. Yes or no? የሆነ ነገር examine ማድረግ ወይም review ማድረግ ይሆናል ማለት ነው. Am I clear? So there's a difference between look through and what? See through. Because look and see are two different things. They're not the same, right?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
All right. Do you have any question, any confusion here?
No.
Any confusion here?
No.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So what did I say about see about math? No? የሆነ ነገር to arrange or deal with something or to take action ማለት ነው. That's it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Very good. Okay. What about see after? What about see after?
Is it looking after?
To look after or to take care of. መንከባከብ. Yes or no?
Yes.
Or መጠበቅ ምናምን. Can you see after my dog when I'm away? All right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Or can you see after my children because I'm planning to go somewhere? What about see through? See through.
To realize truth about something.
Yeah, to realize, the truth about something or somebody. And what is the next meaning of see through?
Is it doing something until the end?
Yeah, doing something until the end. Very good. Or to continue doing something until it's done. Yes or no?
Yes.
These are the different meanings of the phrasal verb with see.
Yes.
All right, Abrachiko, you will continue doing the same thing. All right. Lesson number 4, right? So C2. እስቲ ቤክ ሳምፕል ውስጥ C2.
C2.
Like see means ማየት and to means ወደ, but it doesn't mean ወደ ሆነ ነገር ማየት. All right? To see to means to take care. To what?
Here.
To take care, like see after, right?
Yes.
Take care of or handle. Or what?
Handle.
Handle. All right? Handle. For example, can you see to the guests? Yeah?
Yeah.
Can you just what does it say? Can you see to the guests?
Can you see to the guests?
All right, while I prepare dinner, right?
Yes.
Or by the time I prepare dinner. So it means that can you take care of the guests, all right? So what do you mean by see to? To take care of, all right? To take care of, right? I can see to the guests you can go and prepare dinner, right? So to see to means to take care of, right? And there is another more important phrasal verb, which is see out, all right? See out. You know the meaning of see again? You know the meaning of out? Out is ወደ ውጭ ስለዚህ ወደ ውጭ ማየት ማለት አይደለም. So to see out means what do you mean to all right, very good. It means to accompany someone, yes or no? Yes. Or somebody. To accompany what? Somebody. So can you make a sentence, please?
I went to see out my friend.
To accompany somebody to the door. To what?
Accompany
somebody to
the door.
ወደ ውጭ በቃ ወጣ አድርገህ እንትን ምንድነው ወደ ውጭ አስወጣኝ ምናምን እንላለን yes or no?
Yes.
All right, okay, very good. So ውስጥ ካለ ቤት ውስጥ ካለ አሁን ለምሳሌ ቆይ ላስወጣህ እንላለን አይደል? ቆይ ላስወጣህ እስቲ ምን ትያለሽ? let me see you let me see you በስቲ let me see you out በስቲ ቆይ ወደ ውጭ ላስወጣህ እያልሽው ነው. So to accompany somebody, all right, to the door when they leave, right? Understand? የሆነ ከቤት ሊወጡ ሲሉ ወደ ውጭ ማስወጣት see out ነው የሚባለው. let me see you out ካላችሁ ቆይ ከቤት ላስወጣህ እያላችሁ ልሸኙት ነው ማለት ነው. say it again. let me see you out. ከቤት አስወጣ ሸኛት ስል ምን አለው ማለት ነው? see her በስቲ see her out በስቲ see her out እሱን ሸኛው ስትሉስ ከቤት አስወጣው see him out. See him out, all right? See her out. That's it. ስለዚህ let me see you out ካላችሁት የሆነ ሰው somebody is at your home ስለዚህ ወደ ውጭ ላስወጣህ እኔ ልሸኝህ እያላችሁት ነው ማለት ነው. Is that okay?
Yes.
So there's a difference between see out and there is another phrasal verb. እስቲ ከዚህ ጋር ትንሽ የሚገናኝ መሸኘቱ ነው እዚህ ጋር ትንሽ የሚገናኝ አሁን ለምሳሌ የሆነ ሰው ወደ ውጭ ሀገር ሊሄድ ነው እና ኤርፖርት ደሽ በቃ እሺ ደህና ሁን ምናምን ብለሽ መሰናበት አይነት ነገር እንትን ስትይው ምንድነው የምትይው ማለት ነው? what is መሰናበት?
say goodbye now.
right? see off basically see off.
Yes, see off.
yeah what is ወጣችሁ ምናምን ነገር ስትሰናበቱት ምናምን ነገር እዛው በተለይ ትራቭል ላለው ሰው ማለት ነው ምን እንደሚባለው see off basically see off. All right, it just means what do you mean by see off? To say goodbye. To say goodbye. To say goodbye to somebody. To what? Somebody while living. All right, do you understand me?
Yes.
So አሁን ኤርፖርት የሄድኩት ጓደኛዬን ልሸኝ ነው ደህና ሁን ልል ነው በቃ ደህና ሰንብት ልል ነው ስትይ ምን ትያለሽ ማለት ነው? I went to the airport. To the airport.
To see off.
I went to the airport to see off
My friend.
To see off my friend, yeah. My friend. My friend. Very good. So how many phrasal verbs did we see so far? 6. Yeah, what do you mean by see to? What do you mean by see to? To take care of or to handle, right?
Yeah.
So can you take care of the guests? Can you see to the guests? They are exactly the same.
Yes.
All right, what do you mean by see about? See about. I mean see out, sorry. See out.
To accompany someone to the door.
To accompany someone to the door, right? When they leave. What about see off?
See off, to say goodbye.
To say goodbye to someone who is living, yes or no? All right, especially if someone has got flights, right?
Yeah.
So, like I went to the airport to see off my brother, my sister, or you can say many things, all right? So how many phrasal verbs did we see?
6.
Can you tell me all? See about?
See to.
See about, see to. See through.
See through, yes.
See after.
See after. See out.
See out.
And see off.
See off.
Yes.
Right? These are 6 ones, yes or no? So that like ሌሎች አሉ ማለት ነው በደንብ አድርገን እነሱ እናያለን አሁንም ትንሽ ደቂቃ ብቻ ነው የሚቀር ማለት ነው I want you to be patient, okay? Be with me, right? Okay. All right, let's see these things. Bexa,
Yeah.
can you see this? See over.
See over.
Yeah, to see over. I'm planning to see over the apartments. So what do you mean by see over? You know the meaning of over, you know the meaning of see, But the meaning of this over doesn't mean over something, all right?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean like that. So what do you mean by see over?
Is it inspecting something?
Yeah, to inspect. To what?
Inspect.
Inspect a place. To inspect what? A place. All right? For example, when you say I'm planning, say.
Planning.
I'm planning to see over the apartment. Yeah? The apartment tomorrow. ነገ አይታየት ላረገው ወይ ማየት ላረገው see over means መፈተሽ ማለት ነው ማየት ማለት ነው አይታየት ማድረግ ማለት ነው አስቤያለሁ. So what do you mean by see over? Inspect ማለት ነው inspect a place የሆነ ቦታ አይታየት ማድረግ ማለት ነው right? So what is the past tense of see? So I saw over but see? I saw over piazza. Piazzan ምን ኢንስፔክት አድርግ ፈትሻታለሁ አይቻታለሁ ነው. I saw over piazza last week. Yes or no?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
All right, interesting. And what is number 8 is see beyond. See? Beyond. Yes, see beyond. What do you mean by see beyond? To see deeper.
Okay.
Say to see?
Deeper.
To see deeper. አንድ ነገር ባሻገር ጠለቅ አድርጎ ማየት ማለት ከሆነ ነገር ባሻገር ማለት ነው. You have to see beyond this. ካልኩ ከዚህ በላይ ማየት አለብህ እያልኩሽ ነው ማለት ነው. Yes or no? Or to think deeper. To see or to think deeper.
Yes.
For example, I can say you have to basically
You have to
see.
beyond.
You have to see it beyond this. You have to see it beyond this. ከዚህ በላይ ነው ማሰብ ከዚህ በላይ ነው ማየት ያለብህ ነገሩን ስል you have to see the problem beyond this. Yes or no? Say it again. You have to see the problem beyond this. You have to see the matter beyond this. Yes or no?
Yes.
So to see beyond means to see the power to think deeper, you know, from normal ones, all right?
Yes.
Or more than the normal perceptions, all right? Is that okay?
Yes.
Interesting. So that like see beyond. See what? Beyond. Is it clear?
Yes.
All right, interesting. And number 10, and which is the last one, is see into. See what? Into. What do you mean by see into? What do you know? To see into means to investigate. What does it mean?
To investigate.
To investigate, or you know, there is another one which is look into. All right?
Yeah.
Look into. So they are the same. To see into and to look into are the same. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
For example, I see into the matter. Let me see into the matter before I make decisions. All right?
Yes.
See into the matter before you make decisions, or look into the matter before you make decisions. It means that to investigate, where you know, like to what to investigate, or like to search. Yes or no?
Yes.
Investigate መመርመር ማጣራት ማለት ነው. So you have to see into the matter before you make decisions. All right? ውሳኔ ከመወሰን በፊት ፈትሸው እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው. Right? Or like investigate አድርግ አጥናው እያልኩ ነው ማለት ነው. Yes or no? Let me see into the matter before I make decisions, or let me look into the matter before I say decisions. Or I can say that the police should see into the problem, or the police should look into the case before making some kind of decisions. All right? Do you understand me?
Yes.
Is it clear?
Yes.
So to see into means to look into. They are the same,
Yes.
which means
Investigate.
investigate something. All right? These are top phrasal verbs with the word see. I hope you got a very good lesson out of this video. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you have any confusions or any question, I want you to write it under the comment section and I can reply there. And then anybody who is interested in learning online or face-to-face classes, give us a call. We can teach you English well. We are located at CMC Michael. If you want to learn English in person, or you can do it online. Yes or no?
Yes.
Give us a call. We can teach you there. And then your Telegram account የት ላይ እናስቀምጥላችኋለን? ቪዲዮ ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ እናስቀምጥላችኋለን። የቴሌግራም አካውንታችሁን ጆይን በማድረግ የሚለቀቁ ነገሮች እዛ ጽሁፍ ነገሮች የሚጻፉ ምናምን ነገሮች ካሉ እዛ ጋር እንትን ትላላችሁ ማለት ነው. Thank you for watching again. Bye.